Good day, dear learners! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Doc Gilma. Are you ready, guys, for the next lesson? So if you're ready, guys, just sit back, relax, and listen carefully to the topic to be discussed for today. Alright, guys, let's begin! The topic I will be discussing for today's lesson is all about first-degree equations in one variable. What is an equation? An equation expresses the equality of two mathematical expressions at its right and left side. The expressions can be either numerical or algebraic expressions. For instance, we have here 8 plus 4 equals 12. This is an example of numerical expression. And 2x plus 3 equals 5 is an example of an algebraic expressions. 8 plus 4 and 2x plus 3 is simply the left side of the equation. 12 and 5 is simply the right side of the equation. Consider the definition. First degree equation in one variable is what we call a linear equation. It is any equation having only one variable of degree 1. Examples: 2x minus 5 equals 5, 5c plus 1 equals negative 9, negative 7n plus 42 equals 7, 5x minus 2 is equal to 4x plus 5. These are all examples of a first degree equation in one variable. Since all of the variables involved here have a degree 1. So take note of that. Consider the different kinds of equation. We have here true equation. When we talk about true equation, it is simply an equation whose two sides are equal. For instance, 4 plus 11 equals 15. You can see the left side is equal to the right side of the equation. 9 minus 3 is equal to 3 plus 3. Again, the left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. So these two equations here are all examples of a true equation. Then we have false equation. False equation is an equation whose two sides are not equal. For instance, 7 plus 9 is equal to 15. Take note, 7 plus 9 is 16 and it's not equal to 15. 8 minus 3 is equal to 4 plus 3. Is a false equation since 8 minus 3 is 5 and 4 plus 3 is 7. The left side and the right side is not equal. Conditional equation. It is an equation that contains variables on either sides. For instance, 5x plus 4 is equal to 9. 3n minus 3 is equal to 4n plus 5. As you can see, either left side or right side of the equation contains variables. Identity equation. Identity equation is an equation whose two sides containing variables are equal. For example, 3x plus x is equal to 4x. On the left side, we have 3x and x. If you combine these two like terms, it is simply equal to 4x. N minus 3n is equal to negative 2n. If you perform the subtraction operation on the left side, n minus 3n, it is simply equal to negative 2n. So these two equations here are all examples of an identity equation. The equation x plus 9 equals 14 is true if the x variable is replaced by 5. That is, x plus 9 equals 14, substituting 5 to x, so we have 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. This is a true equation since the left side and the right side is equal. The equation x plus 9 equals 14 is false if the x variable is replaced by 6. That is, if we substitute 6 to x, so we have 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, and it is not equal to 14. So this is an example of a false equation. Solution or root of an equation. A solution or root of an equation is the value of the variable that makes the equation true. 5 is simply a solution since we're going to substitute 5 in the equation x plus 9 equals 14. The left side is equal to the right side of the equation. Since 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So 5 is simply a solution of root, while 6 is not. Now let's have a drills. Answer the following. Number 1. Is 4 a solution for 2x equals 8? Yes. Since 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Is negative 3 a solution for 3x equals negative 7? No, since 3 times negative 3 is not equal to negative 7. And take note, 3 times negative 3 is simply equal to negative 9. Number 3, is 8 a solution for negative 4x equals negative 32? Yes, since negative 4 times 8 is simply equal to negative 32. Number 4, is 4 a solution for negative 5x equals negative 20? Yes, since negative 5 times 4 is simply equal to negative 20. Number 5, is 5 a solution for 6x equals 35? No, since 6 times 5 is not equal to 25. And take note, 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Before we end our discussion for today, let me first read to you a simple passage from the Bible. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 5. Keep your lives free from the love of money and be content with what you have, because God has said, never will I leave you, never will I forsake you. Take note, class, skills are developed through constant correct practice, and there will always be a room for improvement. That's all for today. Stand by for my next lesson. Stay safe, everyone, and may God bless us all.